Abahangu omukosi ensheke z'amajuta gatajijine abatwirani batendekwa ba China Pipeline Petroleum Company bahirwa obuhangu obubesire automatic welding skills okubabasa okushumika ensheke.
Kati okuva wano tugenda kubanga tusunsulamu abasinze 10 tubongereyo ku training endala eya integrated non-destructive testing okumakinga sure nti okujjako okuweldinga kwokka nabo basobola ate okwekenneenya obanga welding gye bakoze etuukana naki n'omutindo.
Our national content will basically look at 3 major pillars. And as a department, we focus mostly on the training and employment of Ugandans. We also look at the procurement of locally available goods and services. Then we look at technology transfer. And some of these initiatives are, like I said, one thing that really amused me and really got me up is when I was reading the banner was that it was specific for the Ugandan welders.
His agenda, which is to build a strong oil workforce that is well equipped, that is well trained, so that we are able to drive a sustainable oil and gas industry in this country. And therefore, as authority, we maximally appreciate CBP and ECO to that extent.
Aba nibaza kuheebwa emirimo kutandika kwosya ensheke eziriyo nizikorwa kukoresibwa omu kutimba amajuta gatajijine.
Bw'otunuulira ku mafuta ge Uganda, amafuta agaakazuulibwa matono nnyo kwago ge tusuubira okubeera nago. So kitegeeza nti emirimu gikola ki? Bitandika butandisi. Therefore, we tuneeyongera okuzuula amafuta, we tuneeyongera okudiversifying into petrochemical industries, we tuneeyongera okugenda mu refinery ejja. Kitegeeza nti bano abaana bajja kubeera bamaze okuteekebwateekebwa.
Abahirwe certificate nibajangu batungire okutendekwa okurukutanaho n'entendekwa ezibabiire batungire.
It's a different welding that they just introduced on this pipeline, on this East African crude pipeline. But the other side of Chilenga, they have been using the other smile, another type of welding. So this one is different. That's why we got to training. So it is not the first time to work.
Okay.
Before, we didn't know this kind of welding. It is because of oil and gas. That's why I came to know this kind of welding. Because earlier on I was just knowing the fabrication work, which is just this minor welding.
Uganda neja kubeina omusheke oguru kutwara amajuta agatajijine oguruho oburingwa bwa kilometers 184 okuruga Kabare Hoima okuza Tanga omuri Tanzania. Gasha kwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.